Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing video on my channel. And today here I will be unboxing my Microsoft Gold Student Ambassador swag kit. So let's just hop into the video and see what all lovely items Microsoft has sent me. This box is quite bigger than comparison to the beta swag kit box I got. So let's start. Opening the box, here is the first thing which I get, the certificate from the Microsoft, which says that it has been presented to me on achieving the gold milestone of Microsoft Student Learner Ambassador community. This is the highest achievable post in the community. I'm really delighted that Microsoft gave me this opportunity to be at the head and providing me with even more resources and the amazing community, the other gold members who are really helpful and have helped me a lot till now. And I'm looking forward to be the same gold member and contribute even more towards my community. Now coming towards the bag which I got from Microsoft Student Ambassadors for achieving Gold Microsoft milestone. This bag, I like it personally a lot because the look, the color is quite different from other bags, and especially its material is amazing. Now opening the bag, I found here the four little items. One is face mask, video conferencing light, holder, and the small cute sticker from Microsoft, the Gold Ambassador community. Now the second, the face mask. Yes, we came out of the pandemic and this face mask has become the part of our life. So thank you Microsoft for sending me this lovely goodies, and the sticker and the iCard holder, they are also quite lovely. So I hope you guys like this unboxing video. Make sure to comment down your all the reviews and what you would like to see in the next video. I know I have took a long time, but yeah, now I am back and I would like to deliver all the content that you all want me to do, and I will be helped to keep contributing. If you have any doubts or you have some queries to ask, please feel free to drop it in the comment section or on the social media links. I will link them below. So be safe, keep learning, and stay fit. Till then, take care. Bye bye.